Hey everyone! If you want to supercharge your website's speed and performance with xCloud, you're in the right place. Let's start and learn how to enable the Edge full-page cache with easy steps. Before we proceed, make sure you've already integrated Cloudflare with xCloud and your site is properly set up with Cloudflare. First, log into your xCloud account and navigate to the site's dashboard you want to optimize. Once you're inside, look for the caching option under the WordPress menu and click it. In the caching section, you'll see a button labeled Cloudflare Edge Cache. Go ahead and click to activate it. Then, tap on Advanced Settings to unlock more customization options. In Advanced Settings, you can customization the caching even more. In Cache Exclusion HTTP URL Rules, you can add specific URL patterns you want to skip caching. In Cache Exclusion Cookie Rules, you can set cookie-based rules if you need to prevent caching for logged-in users, carts, or specific sessions. Once you've set everything up, you can hit the Purge Cache button to purge the cache instantly. This clears out all the old cached content from Cloudflare's Edge servers and immediately applies your new rules. Afterwards, click on the Save button. Now, you can go to your site dashboard and click on the Plugins option from the sidebar. Here you will see the xCloud Cloudflare Edge Cache plugin that has been automatically installed and activated on your site. Now, whenever you need to purge cache instantly, just head to the header menu in your dashboard and click Purge Cache. Super easy. And that's how easily you can enable the Edge full-page cache in xCloud and drastically boost your site's performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!